Do you hate having your emails hidden in the promotions or social tabs? Sometimes important messages get lost there, and you never see them. In this video, I'll show you how to disable these categories completely so all your emails arrive in one single, simple list. First, log into Gmail on your computer. Go to the top right and click the Settings gear icon, then select See All Settings. Most people stay on the General tab, but we need to move over. Look at the top menu and click on the tab labeled Inbox. Right at the top, you'll see a section called Categories. These checkboxes control the tabs in your inbox. To get rid of them, simply uncheck the boxes for social, promotions, updates, and forums. Note that you cannot uncheck Primary. That will remain as your only inbox list. This is the most important step. Google doesn't auto-save this page. You must scroll all the way to the bottom and click the Save Changes button. The page will refresh, and now your tabs are gone. Now, every email you receive will land right here in your primary inbox, so you never miss a thing. If this helped you organize your life, please give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Tutorials and Howtosis for more tips. Thanks for watching.